Hey everyone, Coach Investor here with another Illumina stock monthly analysis video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the earnings, the price change, and my own opinion on what I'm doing with my position. I will mention some important stuff at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. But before I get into this video, I just want to thank everyone that has been subscribing lately because we've reached 3,000 subscribers. It is really crazy how we've grown as a community and as a channel. I hope we can keep on growing because I love doing this. I love covering interesting and innovative companies that are worthy of our investment. And hopefully we can keep this going for a long time. So thank you again, everyone that has been subscribing lately. And those that are not subscribed, like 78% of you, click on that subscribe button and help me grow the channel. And if you like these videos, maybe leave it an early thumbs up, as it really helps me outgrow the channel and get my videos to more people. So without further ado, let's start with the graphs. All right, so from my last video, which was right around here, July 16, the stock went up, tested $400, then went back down, then back up a bit to $395, back down, and then tested $400 again, failed. Earnings came out and the stock went down, crashing 11% or 12% or so to around about $343. And now it's around about $353, which is about the resistance and support line for the future. Hopefully the stock can stay here, maybe above it for a couple of days, and then make its way up to the other resistance line, which is $370, and then make its way up and test $400 again. Now, to be clear, I already sold some of my position right around here, $394 or so, and I might actually sell more of my position if it reaches $400 again. I might be putting a sell order just in case it hits that 400 and then fails again, because I've made already some gains from that stock and I wasn't really comfortable after earnings report, so that's what I will be doing in the near future. All right, so I'm here on Hypercharts, so you can get a better overview of how the earnings looked now and actually looked in the past. So we can see here that Illumina recorded a revenue of $633 million, a 25% year-over-year decrease, but that was to be expected by the analysts. Also, the company recorded a net income of operating income of $96 million or 62 cents per share. During last year's quarter, Illumina had recorded a non-GAAP net income of $205 million and earnings per share of $1.35. Now, on average, analysts were expecting the company's earnings per share to come in at around 67 cents. So earnings have been a miss as well in this quarter, but to be honest, it's to be expected because of the major impact from the outbreak. That's what the CEO said as well. It was expected to see such low revenues and operating income because most of their customers and researchers probably had to shut down for a couple of weeks, maybe a month or so, or work in lower capacity, and that reflected on the earnings call. Revenue was affected, operating income, gross profit, everything was affected because of the outbreak. It was to be expected, to be honest. Some companies do better than others, but companies like Illumina, even Invitae, took a hit during that quarter. Now, me personally, like I said during the charts, I will be lowering my position in Illumina if it goes back up to $400. And actually, by the end of this year, I might consider selling all my position and invest it in another company. As of now, I still do not know which one that will be. Maybe I will add to my positions in Pinterest, Square, or Lemonade, or even Tesla. Who knows what the price of Tesla will be by the end of this year. So stay tuned for that. I will keep on updating you about Illumina even after I've sold some of my positions. So this monthly series will keep on going because I think most of you like it and most of you are invested in Illumina. So we'll keep doing that. Stay tuned for this week's Lemonade video because earnings are coming up. So it's going to be very interesting to see what happens. How are the earnings, how are the revenue, did they grow in this pandemic period? And as well, it's going to be interesting to see how the price of the stock is affected by the earnings call. Are we going back to $80 or are we going even lower than today? So stay tuned for that. I think it's going to be probably Thursday. And that will be it for this video. If you liked it, consider leaving a thumbs up And if you haven't subscribed yet, maybe hit that subscribe button. And as always, guys, take care, stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.